Hello everyone, I'm Ankush Dey and today I'm going to present something on the occasion of Math Day and for Math exhibition. So today I'm going to present some fun facts about math and I'm also going to present angles. So let us start. So first we're going to see what is the use of math in real life. Telling the time. Math helps us in understanding the time of the day using units such as seconds, minutes, etc. Designing and building. Math is the foundation of each decision architects, builders, and engineers make. Navigating. The global positioning system is mainly dependent on mathematics to exactly locate our position. And last but not the least, exploring science. As we all know, math and science are interrelated subjects, and now we will learn why. Rocket scientists need math to precisely calculate orbits and trajectories to safely navigate to the moon and beyond. Let's see some fun facts regarding math. As of January 2019, the largest known prime number is a number that is so huge that it has 2,48,62,048 digits. William Playfair invented the bar chart and line graph as he thought that colors helped to understand better, which was proven later. In the year 2000, celebration took place to start the new millennium, but some claim that it was a year early, as there was no 0 CE. If you fold a piece of paper 54 times, then it will be thick enough to reach the sun. This is not realistically possible, as after a period of time, the paper will get too thick to bend. Let us see some more facts about math. Have you ever wondered how many words there are in a book? If you want to find out, just count the number of words there are in a page and multiply the number of pages to find the estimated amount. Circles and spheres are perfectly symmetrical shapes, meaning they have infinite number of rotational and reflectional symmetry. Earlier, the term computer referred to humans who calculated math using pen and paper. These were mostly women, and they were key to NASA's debut flight. If you shuffle a deck of cards, which is 52 cards, it is very likely that no one ever has shuffled the cards in that way ever before, as there are a huge number of possible combinations of shuffling a deck of cards. So now we will learn something about the famous Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. So here we have a picture of Srinivasa Ramanujan and let us see some things about him. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a self-taught prodigy and a pioneer of mathematics in his time. He wrote remarkable theories in letters to other mathematicians such as G. H. Hardy, who invited him to the Cambridge University. He proved many difficult theories there. Now let's learn about angles. So first we will learn what is an angle. An angle is a figure formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint. The magnitude or measure of an angle is the amount of how much the angle is open or closed. The unit of measuring an angle is degree. It is represented by the symbol of a circle, which is very small. So now we are going to classify angles based on their measure. The first type of angle is zero angle, and the measure of zero angle is 0 degrees as referred to as its name. Next is acute angle, and the measure of acute angle is 1 degrees to 89 degrees. Third is right angle, and the measure of right angle is 90 degrees. Number 4 is obtuse angle, and the measure of obtuse angle is 91 degrees to 179 degrees. Next, we have the straight angle, and the measure of the straight angle is 180 degrees. Then we have number 6, reflex angle, and the measure of the reflex angle is 181 degrees to 359 degrees. Lastly, we have the complete angle, which measures 360 degrees. So the difference between the complete angle and the zero angle is that you have to see whether it's mentioning the outside angle or the inside angle, because the inside angle is 0 and the outside angle is the complete angle or the 360 degrees angle. So let us see some more facts regarding angles. First, let us see complementary angles. So two angles are said to be complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. For example, two 45 degrees angles, if you add them together, simple mathematical addition, 45 plus 45 is equal to 90. So the two 45 degree angles are said to be complementary angles. Next, we have supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary if they add up to 180 degrees. So for example, let us say 100 degrees angle and a 80 degrees angle. So again, simple mathematical addition, 100 plus 80, 180. So 180 are called supplementary angles. And lastly, we have the adjacent angles. So as the name adjacent suggests, means side to side or next to. Adjacent angles are angles which have one of their rays as common. Let us see some more facts about angles. Other shapes can also be classified on the basis of angles. And one example is the the triangle. So you may be asking how. So here we have a table to explain to us the name of the type of angle, name of the type of triangle. So number one is acute triangle, and the measure of the acute triangle is that the speciality is that all of their angles are less than 90 degrees. As we can see in the figure here, all they're written less than 90 degrees, less than 90 degrees, and it is written again here. So next we have the right triangle. These triangles have one of their angles as right angle and the other two as acute angle, because as you might be saying that this is 90 degrees, and as we will be studying later that triangles add up to 180 degrees, so we can say that these two angles add up to 90 degrees. And so you can also be saying that these two angles are complementary, right? And all the angles of the triangle add up to 180, so there are supplementary angles, which is a very good fun fact. And next we have obtuse triangle. So these obtuse triangle have one obtuse angle after which they're named, and then the other two as acute angle. So to find the measure of the acute angle, you have to do 180 minus the measure of the obtuse angle. So let us see some more things about angles. So let us also see what inside angles do regular polygons have. So for a regular triangle which has all three sides as equal, the measure of each angle is equal to 60 degrees, square is equal to 90 degrees, rectangle is also equal to 90 degrees, as both square and rectangle are quadrilaterals. Next we have pentagon, which is 108 degrees, hexagon 120 degrees, heptagon 128.57 degrees, octagon, which is 135 degrees, a nonagon, which is 140 degree inside angle, a decagon, which is 144 degree angle, and lastly we have dodecagon, which has 150 degree inside angle. So you might be asking, now how did you find this out? You must have memorized it, that. But I did not memorize it. I actually found it out with a formula. And here I have given the formula, and the formula is 180 into bracket start n minus 2 bracket close divided by n, where n is the number of sides. So I'll give you a real life example, like let us just take a pentagon, okay? So a pentagon, how many sides does a pentagon have? It has 5 sides. So 180 into 5 minus 2, which is equal to 180 into 3. So 180 into 3 is equal to 540, and 540 divided by 5, simple mathematical division, is equal to 108 degrees. So this is how I found out all of these. And we all can find it out if we just memorize this formula instead of memorizing these angles. So this is what I wanted to present about angles. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you and I hope you like it. And bye.